Of course, we might do better than this. If the initiatives allow us to grow revenue by 20%, then the exit revenue will be $96 million. This increases the gross profit to $55.7 million and the EBITDA to $20.2. And if we can also increase our valuation multiple by 20% to 6.0, this will make the total enterprise valuation $121 million. With net debt of $50, we'll have total equity of $71 million, an equity ratio of 58.7, and a debt ratio of 41.3. Finally, with an ownership percentage of 59.4, equity proceeds for the GP will be $42.2 million, resulting in $12.2 million of equity value creation, a 41% increase in the GP's investment. Here we can add our metrics to the table so we can calculate a loss of $3.1 million due to the lower gross profit margins, a loss of $3.1 million due to the higher operating expense margins, a gain of $6.6 million due to higher revenue, a gain of $6.5 million due to higher valuation multiples, a gain of $5.7 million due to debt's amplification of the equity gains, and finally a loss of $400K due to the GP directing 1% of their equity proceeds to some ESG-worthy cause. As expected, these value drivers will add up to the $12.2 million increase in the GP's investment. So that demonstrates how value creation models can be used to evaluate the impact of ESG initiatives in private equity deals.